Call the doctor.
What happened?
Tom fell down.
Oh no, is he okay?
I don't know. He is on the floor.
Is he conscious?
Yes, he is awake, but he is crying.
Where does it hurt?
His leg. I think he broke it.
Oh, poor Tom.
I need to call the doctor now.
Yes, call quickly.
Doctor's office. Hello?
Hello, how can I help you?
My son fell down. He hurt his leg.
Where are you now?
We are at home, 12 Main Street.
Okay, I will come immediately.
Thank you. Please hurry.
Do you have a first aid kit?
Yes, I will bring it. Let's put ice on his leg.
Good idea. Tom, we will help you.
It hurts so much.
I know, Tom. We will make it better.
Hold this ice, Tom.
Okay, it is cold.
Don't move too much.
I will call your dad too.
Yes, he should know.
Dad is coming.
The doctor is on the way.
Will it be okay?
Yes, doctor will help you.
Try to stay calm, Tom.
Okay, I will try.
Thank you for helping, Lucy.
You are welcome, Anna.
The doctor will be here soon.
I hope Tom is not too hurt.
Me too.
Hello, I am here.
Doctor, thank you for coming.
Let me see his leg.
It really hurts.
Don't worry, I will fix it.
Thank you so much, doctor.
We are glad you are here.
Hi, Jack. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you want to eat lunch now?
Yes, that's a good idea.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know. Maybe rice and chicken.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I want a sandwich.
A sandwich? With cheese?
Yes, cheese and tomato.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I want some juice.
Orange juice?
Yes, orange juice is perfect.
I will take water.
That is healthy.
Where do you want to eat?
Let's sit near the window.
Okay, good idea.
Look, the food is here.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Yes, the sandwich is big.
And the chicken smells good.
Let's eat.
Yes, let's eat together.
This sandwich tastes good.
My rice is tasty too.
Do you want some of my sandwich?
Just a small piece, thank you.
Here you are.
Nice.
Do you want more?
No, thank you. Do you want some rice?
Yes, just a little.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, it is really good.
Yes, it is my favorite.
I am full now.
Me too.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe some fruit.
Good idea. Fruit is healthy.
Yes, let's get some apples.
Okay, apples are perfect.
Lunch was nice today.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Let's eat lunch together again tomorrow.
Yes, I would like that. Hello, Mark. Are you here to shop?
Yes, Anna. I need some food.
Me too. What do you need first?
I need bread and milk.
Okay, let's go to the bakery first.
Good idea.
Look, here is the bread section.
I like this brown bread.
Yes, it is healthy.
How much is it?
$2.
Okay, I will take one.
Now let's find milk.
The milk is in the fridge over there.
Yes, I see it.
I need 2 bottles.
I need one.
Okay, I will take 2.
Great. What about fruits?
I want apples and bananas.
I want oranges and grapes.
Look, the apples are fresh.
Yes, I like them. How much are they?
$3 per kilo.
Okay, I will take 1 kilo.
I will take 2 kilos.
Now the bananas.
These bananas look good.
Yes, they are yellow and sweet.
I will take 5.
I will take 3.
What about vegetables?
I need tomatoes and carrots.
I need potatoes and onions.
Look, these tomatoes are very fresh.
Yes, they are nice.
How much are the carrots?
$2 per kilo.
Okay, I will take 1 kilo.
I will take 2 kilos of potatoes.
Now we can go to the cashier.
Yes, my bag is full.
Mine too.
Hello, did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, everything is good.
That will be $20, please.
Here is my card.
I will pay cash.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anna.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you.
Come in, please.
Thank you. Your home is very nice.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Okay. Wow, your living room is big.
Yes, I like it. Do you want something to drink?
Yes, please. Do you have tea or coffee?
I have both. Which one do you want?
I will have tea, please.
Okay. Here is your tea.
Thank you. It smells good.
You are welcome. Do you want a snack?
Yes, please. What do you have?
I have cookies and fruit.
I will take a cookie, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. This cookie is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
How is your family?
They are good. My sister is at school now.
That's nice.
And how is your family?
They are fine. My brother is at work.
Great. Do you want to see my garden?
Yes, I would like that.
Let's go outside.
Wow, you have many flowers.
Yes, I like gardening.
It is very beautiful.
Thank you. Do you want to water the plants?
Yes, please. It is fun.
Here is the watering can.
Okay, I will start now.
Be careful with the flowers.
Don't worry, I am careful.
Good. After that, we can sit and talk.
Sounds perfect.
I am happy you came today.
Me too, Tom. Thank you for inviting me.
You are welcome. You can come anytime.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!